I'm Joe Lane. I'm an attorney with the Cochran Firm in Dothan, Alabama. Xarelto is a drug that was introduced a couple of years ago. It's an FDA-approved drug for treatment or prevention of clots. Basically, it's an anticoagulant. The problem with Xarelto is that it was marketed, it was presented, it was approved by the FDA to be a drug as effective as previous treatments, primarily Coumadin, which was the standard for many, many years. Well, Xarelto is defective, and that's what these cases are about. It's about the fact that Xarelto does not do what it was intended to do. There are many patients who are still taking Xarelto who have suffered an injury, a bleed, or a clot. And their doctor, because they are still getting the information from the drug manufacturers, does not necessarily take them off the medication. They try to adjust the dose or maybe split the dose up. But those individuals who have suffered a bleed still have a claim for a Xarelto injury. The other type of claim, other than the bleed, involves clotting injuries, and those are a little different because the drug has failed to do what it was intended to do. It has not met, or at least lived up to, the standard that Warfarin had, and that is to prevent the clots. Now, in a clotting injury, those claims may be viable if the patient was on a medication before taking Xarelto, such as Warfarin or Coumadin. Before I became a lawyer, I was a registered pharmacist and practiced pharmacy in a hospital setting for approximately 5 years. So I have some working knowledge concerning how drugs work, what the mechanisms of action are, certainly the terminology used in the drug industry. I feel like I'm in a good position to interpret the information, look at the studies that have been done to show the effectiveness or the lack of effectiveness of the drug and the dangers associated with the use of the drug. Because of the large number of Xarelto claims out there currently, a procedure is in place where the federal court system has consolidated all of these claims into one court, where the claims can be efficiently and effectively and economically prosecuted. Now, we're looking at claims all over the United States, really, and anyone who is interested in getting information about whether or not they have a claim associated with the use of Xarelto can certainly contact us at any time. We'll provide all of the information, as well as information about their particular jurisdiction or where their case will be filed, about when their claim will no longer be viable because of the running of the statute of limitations. So we'll provide any information to anyone interested in getting that information.